Hi, Paul here. I'm going to show you how to insert a logo in Movavi video editor. I'm also going to show you how to manipulate it, maybe fading in, fading out, and also resizing the logo. But before we begin, subscribe to my channel. You can also share it with your friends. Now let's begin. Now I have a video here. I'm going to place it on the timeline like that. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to come to more tools here. Then I'm going to choose the logo. Then I'll go to add logo. Then it will prompt me to go where the logo is. Like this logo is in my old YouTube folder here. Then I'll just choose this Movavi icon here. Then I'll just open. Then the logo will be placed. But now you realize the logo is so big. So what do you do? The next thing you're going to do, there's this thing like a star here. Maybe you want to resize the logo. You want to make it fade out or fade in. So I'll just click it. It'll give me these options here. Then I'll just come to a general here. Then this general here, I can either change the opacity. Maybe you're very keen you see it is fading out. Better not to be that visible. Or you can just fade it. Now this one is more of a miniature, so I'll just leave it like that. Now the next thing, maybe I want to resize the logo. I'll come to apply effects, then I'll come to here to picture in a picture. It will take me to overlay options. Then this holders here will come. Now what can I do? I can just come and resize the logo, maybe make it smaller and also place it somewhere where I want it to be, maybe somewhere here. Then that is it. That is how to place a logo. Now if I play the video, it's very simple. You can see now the logo is placed somewhere there. So guys, that's how to place a logo. You just go and choose the logo option under the more tools. Then you click this star thing here. You can easily edit it from here. Then that is it. That's how to place a logo in one video editor. So guys, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also share it with your friends and also give it a thumbs up. Watch my next video.